Hello, today I'm creating a unique hair clip inspired by the beautiful colors and blossom of nature. Before we begin, here are the finished clips. These are the materials I'm using. First, I gently take out the clip from one side like this. I'm using a copper wire of 0.5 mm. It's long-lasting, strong, and perfect for securing the flowers tightly onto the clip. This is the first step. I begin by binding the flowers one by one, arranging them to create a soft blooming look. The copper wire holds each flower exactly where I want it, giving the clip its natural floral look. You can see how I wrap them around using the copper wire. Now I've finished attaching the flowers to the clip. Now it's time to add the beads. I choose beads that match the flowers to bring in more texture, sparkle, and layers of color. Each piece you will see in this video carries a tiny story from the fields into something you can wear with love. This method makes the clip durable, sturdy, and perfect for long-term use. Handmade accessories always carry stories of patience, creativity, and love. What makes them special is not just the shine, it's the uniqueness, the details, and the inspiration behind each one. I'm about to complete now. Every flower, every beads, and every shimmer reminds me of the colors of nature. These beautiful clips are made to last and to add a unique touch to your everyday style. I'm using this felt fabric to cover the rough portion. All the beads and flowers come together to create a piece that feels alive, like a tiny curtain you can wear in your hair. And here is it, the final look. Thank you so much for watching and supporting handmade work. Stay connected. I have many more unique hair accessories and earrings coming up very soon.